Hello friends, my name is Tarun and you're watching my YouTube channel English with Tarun Mittal. Well, today in this video we are going to learn some idioms. Lesson number 3. Lesson 1 and lesson 2 हम already कर चुके हैं. So let's get started. Fall flat on face. इसका एक तो बहुत literal meaning है face के बल गिरना. If you hit your face on the ground, on the floor, that's called fall flat on face. Okay, let's see some example. He fell flat on his face and broke his nose. तो गिरा फेस के बल और उसकी नाक टूट गई. It was a high budget movie but fell flat on face. Now यहाँ पर सेंस है मूवी का फ्लॉप होने से. It was a movie which had a very high budget, but it was a flop movie. It fell flat on face. In हिंदी में से मुंह के बल आके पड़ी, औंधे मुंह आके पड़ी. I don't want to fall flat on my face. Suppose I am planning something. I want to start a business. I want to set up a factory. I want to set up shop. और कोई भी मैं कुछ स्कीम लॉन्च करना चाह रहा हूँ, बट आई एम प्लानिंग पेशेंटली. आई बिलीव प्लान पेशेंटली एंड एग्जीक्यूट इम्पेशेंटली. तो मैं चाहता हूँ कि ऐसा ना हो कि मैं फेल हो जाऊँ, दैट आई लॉन्च दैट स्कीम एंड आई फॉल फ्लैट ऑन फेस, मतलब आई फेल. तो आई डोंट वांट टू फेल, आई डोंट वांट टू फॉल फ्लैट ऑन माई फेस. ईट वंस वर्ड्स. अपने शब्द वापस लेना. आपने कुछ कहा एंड बाद में आपने जो कहा वो गलत साबित हुआ एंड यू टेक योर वर्ड्स बैक टू एडमिट दैट समथिंग यू सेड बिफोर वाज रॉन्ग. आई विल मेक यू ईट योर वर्ड्स. अगर आप किसी से कहें आई विल मेक यू ईट योर वर्ड्स, मतलब आप जो कह रहे हैं आई विल प्रूव यू रॉन्ग एंड देन यू विल हैव टू ईट योर वर्ड्स. ही सेड I would not pass, but he had to eat his words. मैं पास हो गया, I passed, and then he had to take his words back. So he had to eat his words. I made him eat his words. You'll have to eat your words. Okay, कभी आपके साथ ऐसा हुआ like you had to eat your words? You said something and then it was wrong and you had to eat your words? Or कभी ऐसा हुआ that you made somebody eat their words? They said something about you or they predicted something about you कि आप पास नहीं होंगे, आप ये नहीं कर पाओगे, but आपने उनको गलत साबित कर दिया. You proved them wrong and you made them eat their words. Alright, next. Call a spade. To say the truth about something even if it is not polite or pleasant. जो जैसा है उसे वैसा कहना, चाहे वो आपको अच्छा लगे, ना लगे, बुरा लगे, polite नहीं है, pleasant नहीं है. Call a spade. Let's call a spade. मतलब जो बात जैसी है उसे ऐसे कहते हैं. Most of the teachers in your college are not efficient. Now I'm telling somebody कि आपके कॉलेज में टीचर्स हैं वो efficient नहीं है, तो ये बात पोलाइट नहीं है, प्लेजेंट नहीं है. ऑब्वियसली यू विल नॉट लाइक इट. बट मैंने कहा चलो भाई जो बात है, जो जैसा है वैसा बोलते हैं. लेट्स कॉल अ स्पेड. ही इज़ नेवर अफ्रेड टू कॉल अ स्पेड. मतलब वो डरता नहीं है, इज वेरी स्ट्रेट फॉरवर्ड. जो बात है. आपको अच्छा लगे ना लगे, ही डजंट केयर. ही इज़ नॉट अफ्रेड टू कॉल अ स्पेड. ओके, व्हाट अबाउट यू? Do you call a spade? मतलब sometimes it happens that there is a situation when you say something which is not pleasant. That is true, but that's not very polite. So do you sometimes call a spade? Or do you avoid that situation? Alright, next. Fly off the handle. माने to become angry, to get angry, to lose temper, to get furious. To suddenly become very angry. I fly off the handle if someone tries to interfere in my personal matters. I get furious, I get angry if someone tries to interfere in my personal matters. Hey, I was just joking. Why are you flying off the handle? Why are you getting angry? Do you fly off the handle if someone tries to interfere in your personal matters? What makes you fly off the handle? Means what makes you angry? Or what makes you lose your temper? You must not fly off the handle during the debate or you will miss your chance of getting selected. अगर डिबेट में आप पार्टिसिपेट कर रहे हैं, it's very common. People, fly off the handle. They get so much, furious or angry. They get aggressive. People tend to get aggressive while having a debate. But you must not fly off the handle. You must not lose your cool while having a debate. Cry over spilt milk. You are crying over something which is now of not use. अब पछताए होत क्या जब चिड़िया चुग गई खेत. मतलब कुछ हो गया, अब आपके उस पर रोने से वो अनडू नहीं हो जाएगा. मतलब योर crying over that will not undo that situation. Okay, to express regret about something that has already happened or cannot be changed or that cannot be undone. It's no use crying over spilt milk. अब कोई फ़ायदा नहीं है. जो हो गया हो गया. Let bygones be bygones. Come on, move on. Let's not cry over spilt milk. हम मैच हार गए, हो गया, done. Now focus हमें क्या करना है कि हम नेक्स्ट मैच ना हारें. तो पहले मैच में क्या हुआ, क्यों हार गए, किसी गलती थी. Let's not cry over spilt milk. Why do you always cry over spilt milk? Why don't you accept the reality? जो है यार उसे एक्सेप्ट करो. जो हो गया कोई बात नहीं. अब आपने कहीं पैसा इन्वेस्ट किया, अब वो पैसा डूब गया, ठीक है, डूब गया. Let it go. Don't cry over spilt milk. If you regret now, तो वो पैसा लौट के नहीं आएगा. वो हो गया. There is no use crying over spilt milk. I never cry over spilt milk. Do you cry over spilt milk? Clip one's wings. किसी के पंख कुतर देना. मतलब उनका जो फ्रीडम है वो आपने रिस्ट्रिक्ट कर दिया है. To restrict someone's freedom. If you take undue advantage of my leniency, I'll clip your wings. अगर पेरेंट्स कहीं बच्चे से कि बेटा मेरी शराफत का फ़ायदा उठाओगे तो I will clip your wings. My parents have clipped my wings. I'm not allowed to go out at night. पहले मैं जा रहा था but now they have restricted me and I'm not allowed to go out at night. They have clipped my wings. Grease someone's palm मतलब रिश्वत देना. To bribe somebody. किसी के अगर आप हाथ में मतलब we say to oil someone's palm, oil बोल सकते हैं, to grease someone's palm. Or we can simply say to bribe somebody. Bribe माने रिश्वत देना. He won't do your work unless you grease his palm. आप जब तक उसे रिश्वत नहीं देंगे, पैसा नहीं खिलाएंगे, वो काम नहीं करेगा आपका. You can say he won't do your work unless you bribe him, or unless you oil his palm, or unless you grease his palm. I had to grease his palm to get my loan sanctioned. मुझे अपना लोन सैंक्शन कराना था, लोन पास कराना था, and he was not doing it. Then finally I had to bribe him. I had to oil his palm and then he sanctioned my loan. So I had to grease his palm to get my loan sanctioned. कभी ऐसा आपने किया like you greased somebody's palm to get your work done? ऐसा करते हैं? Do you do it? Like if you have some work in some government office and the person is not doing your work, so do you offer some bribe? Do you try to oil his palm or grease his palm to get your work done? Alright, next. Come to a standstill. Come to a standstill माने सब कुछ रुक जाना, थम जाना. A condition in which all movement or activity has stopped. I sometimes feel my life has come to a standstill. कभी कभी लगता है कि मेरी जो लाइफ है वो बड़ी स्टैगनेंट हो गई है. It has come to a standstill. मतलब it's not moving. I feel जैसे मैं पिछले 4-5 साल से जहाँ था वहीं हूँ. I feel that my life has come to a standstill. Do you sometimes feel that your life has come to a standstill? Corona brought everything to a standstill. पूरा का पूरा country, पूरा का पूरा world came to a standstill. सब बंद हो गया. All factories, all shops, market, everything was shut down. The whole country, the whole world came to a standstill because of Corona. The Corona brought the whole country, the whole world to a standstill. Rain has brought the construction work to a standstill. बड़ा कॉमन है, हाईवे बन रहा हो, बारिश का सीज़न आ जाए तो काम रुक जाता है. तो रेन की वजह से जो कंस्ट्रक्शन वर्क था, it has come to a standstill. Or you can say rain has brought the construction work to a standstill. Anyway, thanks for watching the video. I hope you understood all the words. Again, watch them once or twice and try to use them in your daily conversation. And please don't forget to like, subscribe and share. See you again with some new lesson. Ciao, ciao.